We will now look at some basic properties of logarithms. The first property, log base b of 1 is always equal to 0. Now this makes sense because when you raise b to the 0 power, you always get 1. Anything being raised to the 0 power, except for 0, will always give you 1. The second property, log base b of b is equal to 1. This is also true because when you convert to the exponential form, b being raised to the first power is equal to b. This also explains two branch out properties, which is ln e is equal to 1, since ln e is log base e of e. And then log 10 is also equals 1 because log 10 means log base 10 of 10. Next one is log base b of b to the x is equal to x. This is true because if you use the arrow trick, converting it to an exponential form, you can see that b to the x is indeed equal b to the x. So it looks almost like these cancel out somehow and give you the x. And finally, b to the exponent log base b of x is always equal to x. And this is because, now this is an exponential function. If you were to convert to the logarithmic function, so let's call this y, then you're looking at y is equal to log base b of x. And our y is nothing but log base b of x. Let's practice these problems using the properties. Log base 3 of 3 to the 10th will give you 10 using property number 3. ln e to the second power, the base is e, so as you can see, the base and the two bases matches. So therefore the answer here is 2, again using property number 3. Log base 11 of 11, this would equal 1 because we would use property number 2. Log base 10 is equal to 1, as I mentioned up here. Log base square root of 7 of 1, this one will equal 0 because it matches with property number 1. ln 1, the base is e, however, the input is 1, so it also matches with property number 1, so the answer is also 0. G, we have 5 to the log base 5 of c squared plus 4. We would use property 4 for this one. Now, let's see. In property 4, the base b would be 5 and 5 here. And x, the input in property 4, that's the same as this c squared plus 4. Think about it this way, as in this will cancel, so you will have c squared plus 4 as the answer. And then the last one, 10 to the log base, it's not written here, that means it's base 10, of a squared plus b. Again, using property number 4, where this base and this base match exactly. So the answer should be the input of the log function, which is a squared plus b squared.